Hello, my name is Aaron Sutherland and I am a SUSE certified instructor. And today in this video we're going to talk about command line skills, specifically service management. When it comes to service management, we're going to use the systemctl command. Now if I just run the systemctl command by itself, you can see we've got lots of output. But what we're looking for is the list of services. So you can see here we've got quite a few services. We're going to use the systemctl command to manage one of these services. For this demo, we're going to use the SSH service. To start, we're going to look at the status of the service. So we're going to use sudo systemctl status and then the name of the service. Type in our password, and in the output you can see the service name, what it's for, whether or not the service is enabled. This one is enabled. The service is active and running, and then you can see some log entries from when the service was started. There's a lot more that we can do with the systemctl command for managing services. We can stop, start, and restart a service. We can also enable and disable a service. To stop a service, we're going to use sudo systemctl stop and the name of the service. Now, to verify that the service is stopped, to use sudo systemctl status and the name of the service, and here we can see that the service is stopped. To start the service, sudo systemctl start and the name of the service, and then we run the status command again and we can see that the service is now running. You can also restart the service. So for that, we're going to look at the timestamp for when the service was started, and then we're going to do a sudo systemctl restart and the name of the service. And if we look at the status again, here's our timestamp for when the service was started, and here's the timestamp for when we restarted the service. The next task that I will show you is how to disable a service. And when we disable a service or enable a service, what we're doing is we're affecting the startup process. When the server boots, do we want the service to start or not at boot? Currently, the service is enabled, which means it's going to start at system boot. If I want to change that, sudo systemctl disable and the name of the service. Now, if we were to look at the status again, you can see right here it is disabled. That means when I restart the machine, the service will not start. So if I want the service to start, sudo systemctl enable and the name of the service. Now, when we look at the status, you can see that it is enabled and it is running. You can learn more about this and many other topics in the wide range of courses that we have available on our e-learning site at the URL you see here on the screen. Thank you and have a great day.